What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now, over here I have my 55-inch Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of Hisense TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect and pair any Bluetooth speaker to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. To do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Bluetooth speaker is turned on and is on pairing mode. Mine over here is currently turned on and is also on pairing mode. And once that is done, you want to come over to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Make sure that you're actually at the home by pressing on the home button, and then you just want to navigate downwards once until you get to this list of apps over here. You can literally see the selector. The next thing you want to do is to just navigate to the left hand side until the menu bar at the left hand side opens up. So just navigate to the left hand side, and then you just want to scroll downwards until you get to the settings menu over here. Select that. Now from the settings, you want to scroll downwards until you get to the connection settings. Select that, and then continuously scroll down until you get to the Bluetooth settings over here. Select that as well, and then scroll down to where you have Bluetooth devices. Now select Bluetooth devices, and automatically your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV will start searching for available Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to. At this point, as long as your Bluetooth speaker is turned on and is currently on pairing mode, after searching for some seconds, your Hisense TV should be able to find the name of your Bluetooth speaker as one of the available Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to over here. Now you just want to go ahead and select the name of your Bluetooth speaker. Mine is actually the BT speaker, as you can see over here. Now give it some few seconds, and automatically your Bluetooth speaker will be connected to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So at this point, you can go ahead and start playing any video or any sound or audio from your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, and the audio will start coming out from your Bluetooth speaker over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.